Uh-oh.
Oh, dit gaat helemaal... Oh nee! Good morning everyone, welcome to a food video. Wow, it's been a while. A what I eat in a day video or something of that matter is probably one of the most requested videos from my channel at the moment. You guys seem to really enjoy those back when I did them more regularly, and of course it was an element that did come back during Vlogmas. So today I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day vlog. I'm gonna show you everything I eat and drink today. So starting with breakfast, obviously. I am about to head to the gym, so I went for a little protein oatmeal this morning. I have, of course, oats. I added some pea-based plant milk to that today, as well as a little bit of water. Then a vegan chocolate protein powder. And then I just have blueberries and a seed mix. This is flaxseed, chia seed, and hemp seed mixed together. So that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast, as well as my orange juice and my vitamins, of course. I'm gonna head to the gym, and after I come back, I'm gonna have lunch. And we're gonna do something really fun later this afternoon that I'm really excited about. I hope it turns out well, but fingers crossed. It's gonna be fun in any case. I tend to kind of cycle through 3 breakfast options at the moment. Of course, there's the oatmeal. I often have soy yogurt with, again, some fruit on top, and often either this same seed mix or nuts. And then a baked muesli. I have one of my favorites is one with almonds and little bits of chocolate. It's delicious. And then the third option is just cornflakes. Cornflakes with plant milk. And my favorite kind of cornflakes is the one with the dried strawberries and raspberries inside. Oh, that is delicious. But if they don't have that one, I'll go for the one with chocolate. I like chocolate with breakfast. I'm just gonna enjoy this, and I will see you guys later today. Back from the gym, time to make myself some lunch, and I think today I'm gonna go for a nice sandwich. Chipotle hummus. Vegan smoky cheese. You have some vegan chicken. Bell pepper. Tiny onion. Fresh spinach. I want to try something I've never done today. I want to bake some perničky. Perničky are a traditional Czech cookie that is eaten around Christmas, and they are usually like the most notable, I think, thing about them is that they are decorated so beautifully. Like, some people are so insanely talented with decorating these cookies. And I really want to do that. I think that would be really, really fun. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you may know that I don't bake. It's mostly because whenever I've baked in the past, it just doesn't turn out that great usually. And I have realized why that is. The first reason is that I am very bad at following recipes. The way I like to cook is I always alter pretty much any recipe I follow. I add a little bit of this, take away a little bit of that, substitute ingredients for something else. That does not work in baking. You have to follow the instructions very precisely. Second reason is that obviously I don't use animal products, and baking without animal products is a challenge. But I found a recipe on a vegan Czech blog for perničky without eggs and milk, so I'm gonna try. And if they don't taste good, then at least I can decorate them and they can look pretty. So, okay, the dough needs to go into the fridge for a couple of hours, so I think I'm just gonna do that now, and then we'll wait. All right, let's do this. I have room temperature vegan butter, brown sugar, molasses, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of plant milk. I have little faith, if I'm honest, that this is gonna work out. I have had to substitute nearly every single ingredient for something else, and I know I just said that that is where it always goes wrong, but these ingredients just don't exist in the Netherlands or aren't readily available or easy to come by, so I couldn't find them at my supermarket. They're probably not gonna turn out very similar to the original, but as long as they're tasty, it's fine with me. And as long as I can decorate them, I am happy. I honestly think the biggest issue is gonna be with the molasses I used, because molasses aren't really a thing, so I had to use pomegranate molasses that are a little bit sour, because made of pomegranate seeds. And I can smell the pomegranate in this pretty clearly. Looks like dough, which is great. So I'm just gonna finish mixing this, pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours, and then we can make our shapes. This will work out, I'm sure. While I'm waiting for the cookie dough to chill, I've made myself a little snack and a pot of jasmine green tea. Let's take a look. I have no idea what it's supposed to look like, so I'm just gonna assume that it's okay. Let's start cutting out some shapes.
Uh-oh.
Oh, dit gaat helemaal... Oh nee! Ah! So the cookies didn't work out, but my best friend, who is a baking goddess, made some proper ones. So we decorated those just now and it was really fun. it's time for dinner, and tonight I'm making some type of Tex-Mex inspired food, I guess. I have some avocados, I have some black beans, might have some corn, peppers, tomatoes. So yeah, we'll just whip something up. It's the last day before the groceries arrive, so days like these we usually just have whatever I can find in the fridge. So I think a meal like that should be good today, so let's get started. Two tomato ones, two beetroot ones, filled with, I didn't end up having any corn, so it's tomatoes, peppers, lots of onion. Onions are vegetables too and really healthy. I added the cilantro stalks, coriander stalks, whichever you prefer. I have tomato paste, I have some chipotle sauce, also tomato based, of course lots of spices. I think that's it. I'm just gonna sprinkle some vegan cheese on top, pop this in the oven for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna drizzle on a jalapeno sauce that I have, and I'm probably gonna make, well, I have a little bit of this coriander left, and I'm gonna make a quick little guacamole, and then it's gonna be done. Yay! We got lucky today. That's a good avocado. And that is everything I ate in a day. Normally we would have a snack at some point during the evening, but this day we had a pretty late dinner because I was at my friend's decorating those cookies, so we didn't have anything after dinner anymore. But pretty often we have some chips or crackers or something like that. But yeah, that is everything. I might have missed some cups of tea here and there. That is usually what I drink throughout the day, and I usually stick to herbal teas or rooibos or fruit teas for the most part, and I try to limit the amount of black and green tea I drink in a day. But yeah, that is everything. It's probably gonna be a long time until I try baking again, because that was just disastrous, absolutely disastrous. But I really hope you enjoyed watching, guys. I really enjoyed doing this little what I eat in a day vlog for you. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more videos coming your way. If you'd like to support me through Patreon, there is a link in the description box. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!